Is there's solid intel on the Macon event, but that should not.
Bro, this nigga about to get my ass off.
Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That Challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The ladies don't wait in no line for no kicks. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe big over that.
What's going on, y'all, man? I'm back with another video for y'all, man. We got ATL versus Macon smoke show today. Man, it's gonna be crazy. This right here gonna be crazier than the last event. So like it even made it on the news, even made it on Channel 2 News. So we just gotta make sure we get down there safe. Once we get down there safe, then hey, it's up from there. So I'm on the way to Summit now. I had to stop and get a memory card from Walmart. My dumb ass left my memory card at the crib, so I had to stop at a Walmart to get a memory card for my camera. So I'm on the way down there now, kind of running late. Everybody keep hitting my phone, asking me where I'm at. I'm on the way. Once we get down there, hey man, it's up. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. They're gonna be crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all gonna see. This is gonna be crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. So y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. And I'm just about to say, man, make sure we gotta drive safe down here because 12 is out. Speaking of 12, GSP got somebody pulled over. Oh, it ain't like they doing. Oh, that GSP got somebody pulled over in the Lincoln. Hope they straight. Bro, 12 is already getting them. Dang. God damn. Sheesh. These niggas out here. These niggas out here. These niggas out, bro. Yes, bro. Top of the f***ing bridge. Bro, that's why they keep stopping me. Oh, shit. These niggas not playing. What the f***? Oh, shit. Bro, they trying to shut this guy down. They deep. That's nothing but 12. Bro, what the fuck? Yo! Yo! Yeah, you're not catching my plate. Yeah, you ain't get that. You ain't get that. What we gonna do, Mufasa? Niggas didn't lie to niggas and all types. Bro, what in the world?
For me, hit that undercover.
Yeah, that undercover right there. Why somebody get me?
I said something about your place.
I don't give a f. I don't give a.
I don't care, but
I don't give a.
Go to the wood like you normally would.
Yeah. And it came out.
Donuts, all that other.
So right now, I don't know what's going on. It's hot as hell. I don't know, bro. The police, they ain't going for it. They ain't going for it. Bro, this nigga about to get my ass off. They got 2 of them on me. I don't know what I did, but I'm about to see.
It's so you got pulled over. What the hell? You look around. Yes, sir.
This bitch crazy.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we good. Yeah, go to the gas station. Go to the gas station. Go ahead. You good. Go ahead. Hey, we good. Who the fuck caught this here? I'm finna just park. Y'all finna act like we're getting gas. Yeah, we good. That bad gonna act like you getting gas. Bro, the 5th location we been to.
Hey, y'all know what the fuck? Y'all better stop playing with us, nigga. Know what the fuck pop?
You heard him. What the hell he doing over here? Hey man, we out here in Macon, man. You know what I'm saying? These niggas going crazy over here. Hey, these niggas lit in Macon, dog. No cap. Oh shit. Oh.
What's wrong with the Charlotte drive?
It's the heat, motherfuckers. Oh, shit. It's over with. Oh, shit. All right, bro. Let me hit you back.
Look down. They'll bring right around this way. Going that way, yeah. That might hit us, bro. That might hit us. Hey, tell these niggas, we're too fast. They could be
That nigga stupid as fuck.
What the hell they doing? Look, homie,
I swear to God, boy.
no, he turned around.
What? Oh, he got him.
Run, man. He about to go and slide, boy.
He got him.
He gone. He got him.
Nigga, these nuts, nigga. He yelling. Hell yeah. But nigga, this shit did. Now we we'll send you the location one more time so it'll put you dead on it. Nigga, the same people in me, Brandon.
345.
I tell you what, if I had the talent of any one of these people,
Man, today been a crazy ass day and I'm tired as shit, dog. Like, look what time it is. Damn. Oh shit. It's 2:37 in the morning. I'm not even at the crib yet. Today's been a crazy day, man. It's been a crazy day, so I'm about to sleep the whole day away. Tired as shit, man. I'm tired.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it, them trenches.